Hey guys, we received this Timmkoo Kids MP3 player for test and try. So this MP3 player have a Bluetooth and a Wi-Fi, also have a parental control and a pre-installed app. So let's just open and see. So comes in a nice protective box. You can also give it as a gift as the protective covering is a Q8. So this is the main MP3 player with a touch screen. So this is a 4-inch touch screen and the MP4 player. So also come with some accessories. So let me just unbox everything and show it to you. So manual, there's a charging cable. So you can charge and it have a long play time. So it is a one side is USB. They also comes with this headphones. So this is AUX like aux headphones that you can put in here. It's a nominal headphone and you can also attach a Bluetooth headphone or a better wired headphone. So just to remove this protective covering so that you can see the screen quality. It's a 4-inch screen quality or the 4-inch screen size, and this have a micro SD card slot, so you can enhance it up to 1 terabyte. You can use a micro SD card of 1 terabyte. Normally it have a 16 GB inbuilt memory, so you can use some of those in the apps and stuff. So the good thing is this comes with a pre-installed Spotify or the Spotify Kids Pandora, and also have Audible or the audiobooks that you can use or the storyteller. So let me just start this. It will take some time for the initial starting and then it's gone. So you can see it's a fast process here. All the apps are here that you can use. You can connect this through the Wi-Fi and also with the Bluetooth. So this have those connection, and you can also have this support all this audio format and also like this things. So touch screen you can use like the Kindle, you can read books or the audiobooks. So all these apps are pre-installed, and then also listen to the bedtime stories and stuff. So it's a very nice MP4 player, I will say, with a small screen and protective for the kids. And you can also control with this parental controls and stuff. So this also have a stable Bluetooth, so you can see with the settings and then use it or connect it with a Bluetooth device like a headphone or stuff. So with the inbuilt battery, the MP4 enhancing MP, this micro SD card, inbuilt apps and stuff. This is really nice thing as a starter for the kids, and to have some music or good storybooks or everything in here. You can also use this as a data cable, the charging cable, and put in the stuff. This is a file manager and things. So I'm just showing you all the different folders and the things. So it's a very nice player and a very nice thing for the kids to have.